Now let's derive third type of a formula. We are having integration of a square plus x square now. Now again we are writing this in the form of a square plus x square with 1 dx. Now integrating by parts, taking square root of a square plus x square as first function and 1 as a second function. A square plus x square integration of 1 dx minus integration d by dx of a square plus x square integration of 1 dx dx. X a square plus x square minus derivative 2x upon a square plus x square x dx. A square plus x square minus x square upon a square plus x square dx. Now what we are going to add it? A square, and we are having x square, so we have to add a square minus a square. Okay, x square root of a square plus x square minus x square plus a square minus a square upon square root of a square plus x square dx. Is it clear? Now this becomes x square root of a square plus x square minus integration x square plus a square upon square root of a square plus x square dx plus integration a square upon square root of a square plus x square dx. Now this becomes x is equal to, integration of I is equal to x square, or we can write it a square plus x square, one and the same thing because both are positive, a square plus x square minus integration of a square plus x square dx, okay, plus a square integration of dx upon under the root a square plus x square. Is it clear? Now what we are having? Integration of dx upon square root of a square plus x square. This is equal to log mod of x plus a square plus x square plus c. Okay. So now we are going to use this part. X a square plus x square plus a square log x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c, and this reduces to 2i a square plus x square plus a square log x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c. X upon 2 a square plus x square, a square upon 2 log x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c. Proved. Same thing.